out of water. Huh? Whoa! Make way for Nalda. Here we are, Krumi, the Queen of Hearts room. Forget! It's all Nabby and I have been talking about. We can't wait to give you an undersea tour, Your Royal Excitedness. Ready?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Ophelia. Oh, we're so pleased to be your tour guides for the day.
This way, Your Great Explorer-ness. All aboard the Subbubble Marine. Batten the hatches. You're in for a bubble-tastic tour to the one, to the only, Undersea Garden! It is stunning, isn't it? Look, there's Delphina, Twinkly and Flowey. Hey, Merfriend! Nothing stops Nalda from delivering letters, not even the sea. Look, there's Lotus and Billow.
Oh, it's you again.
You again? You again? Huh? Ah!
This annoying, delightful creature is a parrotfish.
Delightful creature. Delightful creature. Ah!
We've met him before. He has the unfortunate habit of mimicking others.
But he's super handy for rescuing sick coral. Munches off all the bad stuff and leaves room for the good. Hi, Parrotfish! He is funny and totally adorbs, am I right?
Shall we continue the tour? You must see our glowing pearl. It's a rather rare specimen.
Ew, yes! You've got to see it, Your Royal Crownedness. I mean, it's totally amaze-bubbles. Queen, should we continue the tour?
Continue the tour. Continue the tour. Ah!
The Abso-Bubble bestest. In the distance, you can see the palace where Lotus stays. But over here, our magnificent coral.
Huh? Coral? Coral!
I know. Magnificent, isn't it? Ooh, or it was. It's looking a bit sickly again. You're leaving? I'm sure you didn't do anything wrong. Are you sure you can't stay a little longer? We could take a tour around the hotel and have a dip in the saltwater pool.
Saltwater pool! Saltwater pool!
Now, Bubble, fish require water. How will we transport the parrotfish to land?
With a little bubble power. Time to bubble rock! Bubble fish bowl! he can stay forever, but let's go check out that awesome saltwater pool, huh?
Saltwater pool! Saltwater pool! What?
Your smoothie, Your Highness. Perhaps you'd like to take a dip in the pool too, Your Highness.
Nothing says fun like a floaty. What color? Blue or coral?
Coral! Coral!
Something wrong?
Something wrong! Something wrong!
Parrot fish? He's gone through the underwater pipes, back to the ocean. Oh, no! You didn't do anything wrong. Maybe he's just homesick. Those pipes lead right to the undersea garden. Ooh, I'm sorry, but I can't make anybody stay. Especially not a wild guy like the parrotfish. Your royalness? But where are you going? Huh?
Oh dear. It looks like she's headed to the subbubble marine.
After that queen! Your royal speediness. Oh, I'm sorry you're upset. There must be a good reason why the parrotfish left in a hurry. What do you say we all go find out together?
This way, Your Grace.
Don't worry, we'll find him. Hi, Delphina. Hi, Chloe. Have you seen the parrotfish? Thanks anyway. Huh. Maybe he's at the palace. Double time, Dolly. There he is.
He's cleaning the old coral so the new coral can grow and thrive, Your Majesty. Without someone taking care of it, the coral will die.
See, there's Lotus. Of course. She needs his help. That's why the parrotfish couldn't stay. It's his job to take care of the coral.
I'm sure he'd spend more time with you if he could, Your Highness. Oh, you haven't been selfish, Your Majesty. It is an important job. You just didn't realize.
We were having so much fun, it slipped my mind too. Aw, adorbs! Huh, you know, there may be a way you can still see each other.
This way, Your Royal Highness.
Yup, we did move your room a little closer to the ocean. So glad you love it. Now you can see the undersea garden, the coral, the flowers, and... You can see the parrotfish anytime.
What? Anytime. Anytime.
Fish versus flamingo. gonna be epic.
Come for a stay, where bubble magic saves the day. Bubbles, Nabby, and the crew, they know just what to do. Bubbles Hotel will take care of you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you.
Bubble surprise!
Bubble, you seem to be in a good mood today.
I'm in the bestest mood ever, Nabby! Although, I feel like I'm forgetting something today. Hey, Crewmy, do you know, have I forgotten something today? Nope, none of those things. Ooh, the ice cream twins are here. Chip, Coco, Swirlina, Sherby. Welcome back to Bubbles Hotel, where the fun never pops. I've added some new chocolicious ice cream sprinkles to your room.
Yes, Bubble is very thoughtful. Now, I know you have much to do while you're here, so why don't we...
Show you to the Bubble Vader. Come on. Huh? Where'd they go? The twins. Have you seen them?
No, weren't they with you?
My guests weren't here for 5 minutes and I've lost them. Maybe they had an appointment. Oh, suds. Maybe I did forget something today.
Try not to worry. It's a light day today, and I can certainly handle things. You can relax.
Relax? Happy guests are like the only thing that matters, Nabby. I've gotta find them. Come on, Crewmy.
Nabby wants us to get the bubble cake ready with tons of ice cream for the hair, all decorated with cupcakes. And, ooh, they need more swirls, I think. What if it's Bubble?
Hi, Candy. I'm looking for Chip and Coco. Have you seen them? Oh, cupcakes. Huh, Swirlina? Is there something going on? Thanks for stopping by? That was weird. Oh, how could I forget? It must be the annual Cupcake Palooza. Huh, we've got a big vat of Choco Drops that would be perfect for cupcakes.
Bubble, there you are. There's a lounge chair by the pool that's looking very comfy.
No time, Nabs. Got a cupcake fest to deal with.
Huh. Hmm?
Florina, what do you think of tulips?
Huh, that sounds like Twist. Oh, hi, Florina. I could have sworn I'd heard... Whoa, flower arrangements. A lot of them. Is it... Oh, no. Did I forget Flower Fest? I did, didn't I? I have a bubble-tastic idea. I'll find Twist, and we'll get some special roses from the hotel garden. Huh?
Phew, that was close.
I can't believe I forgot about Flower Fest and Cupcake Palooza. What's happening to me, Krumi? I can't let my guests down. Hey, Nobby, have you seen Twist?
Is that him there? Or not?
You okay, Nobby? You're acting kind of strange today.
Me? Strange? Oh, there's Twist.
Oh, thanks, Nobby. Gotta jump. Twist! Wait up! I need some flowers from the garden! Music? Sounds like somebody's having a party. Oh, suds! Is it the Jubilee Jam already? Oh, Tutu, Amp, Nova. You wanted to perform for everyone. I didn't realize it was today. How could I forget? I'm usually so on top of everything, especially for my guests. But don't worry. I'll check the sound system and invite the other guests. I'll even put up the flyers and I'll... You've done everything? The guests, the sound system, the flyers. Okay, I guess I'll leave you to rehearse. I don't get it. It can't be Cupcake Palooza, Flower Fest, and the Jubilee Jam today. There's no way I'd forget all three, would I? I'm usually the hostess with the mostest. Something isn't right. Even Nobby is acting weird. Come on, Krumi. Let's make like bubbles and pop. Psst! Krumi, come here! Huh. They're definitely up to something. Time for some spy moves. Where are they going? I'm supposed to be the one that organizes events at this hotel. Come on, Krumi. Keep up. Some way I can help them set up for the Flower Palooza Jam or whatevs. But how? What's missing? This party could use some streamers. Time for some bubble power. Time to bubble up. Streamers? No, come back! You're not supposed to do that! Oops. I guess my fizzy foamer kind of fizzled out this party.
Bubble, what are you doing?
I just really wanted to help. I always organize the festivals for the hotel. I know you said you had everything under control, but I couldn't help myself. Have I ruined everything?
Not quite.
Happy birthday, Bubble!
Birthday? Oh, that's what I forgot. It's my birthday today. Wait, you did all this for me?
Indeed.
So no festivals today. Of course! It's a surprise party for me! I'm so touched. And wow, to think I was getting so bummed thinking you didn't need me or want my help. And now I'm so happy!
May I present your bubble cake?
It's bubble-tastic! Thank you! I'm so excited! Ah, thanks. Group hug! Ice cream team! It's gonna be epic.
Come for a stay, where bubble magic saves the day. Bubbles, Nabby, and the crew, they know just what to do. Bubbles Hotel will take care of you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you.
Whirly switcheroo! It's an honor to be the first to try your newest cake recipe, Candy! Oh no, it's really good. See? Yum! I didn't want to say, but yeah, it does sort of taste like cat food.
I quite like it.
The recipe called for special brown sugar cubes, but instead you got cat food? How did that happen?
Well, you see, Bubble, I think... Excuse me. I meant to say that this must have been a delivery mix-up.
We'll get to the bottom of it, Candy. Don't worry. I'll get Nalda to bring sugar cubes right away.
Special delivery for Tressa.
So you ordered a special puppy sparkling spray, but instead got this static spray that's making them all stick together?
Curious. Though I understand how one might mistake a sparkling spray for a static spray. Tressa, may I see the box your order came in? Aha, look. This package was meant for Marie, our scientist guest.
It's okay, Tressa. Getting a package is so much fun. Sometimes I forget to check who it's for, too.
I wonder if this means Marie received the wrong package as well.
Only one way to find out. We'll have have this sorted out and Pop!
Sweet! Another delivery. Let's see who it's for. Huh, a package for Candy the Cake Maker. Didn't I already bring her something? Oh well, to the skies! Special delivery for Candy!
As we suspected, Marie ordered a static spray for her experiments, but instead she received Tressa's puppy sparkling spray.
Luckily, she loved the results. Hey, it's Nalda, my best ever bellhop. Have you noticed any packages getting mixed up?
Mixed up packages? I see a lot of mixed up things when I fly upside down, but no, I haven't seen anything like that.
Marie and Tressa received each other's packages, and Candy got cat food, and oh dear, I wonder if someone gave the cats her sugar cubes.
Oh, you mean somebody's pulling a sneaky switcheroo?
Switching packages. I better keep an eye out. I'll let you know if I see anything off.
Well, come on, Nabby. The mystery's afoot. To the Cat Cafe.
I can't believe somebody would mix up my deliveries. I always make sure the stickers match the guest symbol on the door. Huh. I can't tell if this is a mushroom or an acorn. I can't see the stickers properly. That means I was the one switching packages. Oh, no. I better tell Bubble about this. But if I can't see the stickers, then I can't deliver packages. I love deliveries, especially the part where I get to fly.
Wowzers! Somebody's got these cat's tails in a tizzy.
As I thought, the cats got Candy sugar cubes instead of their food.
Yeah, no wonder they're so hyped up.
It seems that somebody is indeed switching our guests' packages.
Flying acorns! I never realized how many packages people order. I was always too busy flying. They're going to fill up the whole room. But if I can't see the stickers, then I can't deliver them. Oh, no. A red package is ultra urgent. This one can't wait. Okay. I'll try my best to see who this one package is for, and then I'll tell Bubble what's going on. Orange and round with some green on top. That's got to be a pumpkin. It must be for Jack the Pumpkin Boy. At least I hope it is.
Someone's switching up the packages. But Nalda says he hasn't seen anything suspicious.
Who do you think it could be?
A mysterious switching ghost? A sudsy sprite? Oh, you know what? We should do a stakeout. Let's go follow Nalda now and wait to see if anyone swaps the package before the guests can open it.
Special delivery for Jack. I gotta zip off and find Bubble.
Oh, there's the package that Nalda was carrying. Now we wait and see who switches it.
A splendid idea. And this potted plant should do the trick.
Oh, I love how much Jack loves pumpkins. Soap scum. That's not a pumpkin. Aw, look at this little guy.
It seems the packages were switched before we arrived.
Ugh, all that waiting for nothing. Here, Kumi, can you watch the baby?
Okay, that's the last package I tried to deliver. I have to tell Bubbles that I can't see the symbols, even if it means I can't fly anymore or deliver the packages. It's the right thing to do. I can't deliver packages, but I can't let them fill the room either. Bubble! Thank goodness! I need to talk to you!
Sorry, Nalda. This isn't a good time. We're trying to get to the bottom of this package caper. mailbox tied.
That's what I'm trying to say. Bubble, I'm the reason packages were getting mixed up. I can't see the symbols anymore.
Really?
I wanted to tell you, but it was hard because if I can't see the symbols, that means I can't deliver packages.
Oh, Nolda, that must have been so scary for you. But I'd never take deliveries away from the deliveringest guy I know. Why don't we visit Emily, the doctor guest? I'm sure she can help with your eyesight.
She can? I'd love that.
Then let's get a poppin'. Farsighted. So you only need help seeing things close up.
That must be why I didn't notice until it came to the guest symbols.
And there's an easy fix for it. Time to bubble up! Soapy Specs!
I can see perfectly. Thanks so much, Bubble. Thanks, Emily.
Anytime. And I think with your new glasses and the three of us to help, we should be able to deliver all those packages in a jiffy.
That's the last one. Thanks for your help. Bubble, I'm sorry I didn't tell you about my problem sooner.
Aw, Nelda. I understand. You were scared that you wouldn't be able to do your favorite thing anymore.
But all is well now, and we can get back to life as usual around here.
That's right. Crewmy, let's race.
Yup, back to business as usual. Prehistoric pumpkin. Gonna be epic.
Come for a stay, where bubble magic saves the day. Bubbles, Nabby, and the crew, they know just what to do. Bubbles Hotel will take care of you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you, where magic makes your dreams come true. Bubbles Hotel, where you can just be you.
Spinning out. This is it, Nabs. I can feel it. We're going to 17. you back. Your ice skating room's all set up for you.
Indeed. We rather hope that you'd honor us with another performance at the outdoor rink as well.
Fantastic! The guests will be so thrilled to see your new moves.
Right this way.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, I'm okay. Welcome to your Winter Wonderland ice skating room. Check it out! Costumes and skates for days! Oh, I'm okay! Amp, you made it!
Miss Amp has been working on a new piece just for you, Miss Yona.
You bet we want to hear it! Looks like she's having trouble with an idea. Totally obvious what this music needs. Ha! Glittery costumes. Sharper blades. New lighting design? Oh, a partner! Obviously.
Of course, you need someone to lift you to new heights.
And spin you right round. No problem, Yona. We got you, girl. Just gonna need 1 minute. Tricky. The hotel's bubble magic can make almost anything, but...
It can't make a living, breathing ice skater. Oh, I see what you mean.
We'll have to find a guest or one of the staff. But where are we going to find someone with that much grace? We need someone good on their feet, with excellent balance and cat-like reflexes. But who?
Perhaps I may be of service.
Oh, you know someone? Oh, Nabby, you could do it.
I'd be more than happy to offer my talents. Ha-ha! Ha-cha! Ku-cha-cha! Cha-cha-cha! La-ha!
Amaze Bubbles! I'll go let Yona know we found her a partner. Amp, let's pump up those jams. What is happening right now?
Just, getting my ice legs.
Ah, yeah, you are. Go, cat, go! Woo, woo, woo! Oh, yes. Nabby's an amazing dancer. Just needs a little more practice. Or lots more. Nabs, you really don't seem to be enjoying this. Maybe we could get Amp to come up with a different tune. Then Yona could skate without a partner.
Oh, I've never let a guest down, and I don't intend to start now. I can't understand it. I'm a cat. I should be great at this.
The only cat I'm concerned with is my best friend. If he wants to be the best ice skater in the world, then we're gonna make him the best. Time to bubble up! Your biggest problem is staying up, so these'll make you bounce back.
Come on!
Skaters are wobblier when they're slow, so I asked Sadie here to help get you up to speed. These rocket skates ought to do the trick.
Bubble, are you quite sure that...
So rockets and ice, not the best pairing. No problem. Crew me! You know what? Why don't we head outside and check out the outdoor rink where you'll be performing?
Yes, perhaps a change of scenery will be just the thing.
Whoa! Ooh, I'm okay. Again.
You're super!
Oh, that's Dazzle. She's a roller skater but loves to hang at the ice rink in winter. Says it gives her inspiration. Poptastic idea! Dazzle would be the perfect partner for your routine. Oh, ice skating's a lot like roller skating. You'll pick up the routine in no time. Isn't it great, Nabs? Yona found a partner who can... Oh, no, Nabby! Of course we don't want to replace you, it's just...
Miss Dazzle is clearly the best choice. Let's head back to the room for some practice.
Yeah! Woo! You okay, buddy? I know you really wanted to do this for Yona.
Thank you, Bubble, but the guest is happy and that's all that matters. Even if I wasn't able to do it.
I can't stand to see our best kitty pal so down in the whiskers either. There's gotta be a way to get Nabby on that ice. That's it! The best place for Nabby on the ice isn't on the ice at all. Yona! Dazzle! Over here!
But I'm no good on the ice.
Exactly! That's why this time we're keeping you off the ice. Up you go!
Up you go, Bubble. What do you mean? Whoa! Hey! Watch the tail!
Nabs, that was amaze-bubbles! What's going on? Your fur only does that when you're terrified.
Perhaps because that was the most terrifying experience of my life.
Wait, what?
But it helped me to realize something. I'm a jungle cat, not a snow leopard. Indeed, I was so fixated on helping the guest, I tried to become something I wasn't. Thank you, Bubble, for helping me to understand that there are some things I'm not cut out for. And that is okay. And thank you for the wonderful ride. However, I shall gracefully bow out of tonight's performance. Oh, they're truly marvelous. Oh, thank you again, Bubble, for letting me see that the best way to help Miss Yona was to let go.
I'm glad. But I still think it would have been amaze-bubbles if you could have been part of their moves, Nabs.
I've got some pretty good moves of my own. Thank you so much.
Put a new spin on it. It's gonna be epic.
Pop Teen Toons.